Good morning everyone. Welcome back to online classes. Standard 8 Subject English, Section Grammar, Unit 8, and today's topic is pronouns. Let us solve the exercise and write the answers. So, let us study pronouns. Look at the sentences given below. Ria is a clever girl. She stood first in her class. We use the word she, her to avoid repetition. Thus, a word used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. Read the following sentences. I am clever. You are clever. He/she is clever. We are clever. They are clever. I, we, you, he, she, they are called personal pronoun because they stand for different person. I/we first person, you second person, he/she/they third person. Now let us understand this in detail. First person, it denotes the person or persons speaking. Second person, it denotes to the person or persons spoken to. Third person, it denotes the person or persons spoken of. Example, are you coming to our wedding? B, they are joining us. After observing these sentences, now let us understand. You stands to second person spoken to, our stands to first person speaking, they stand to third person spoken of. Now let us understand the kinds of pronoun. There are basically 10 kinds of pronoun. Refer to the table given below. Now what is the first pronoun? Personal pronoun refers to a person speaking, spoken to, and spoken about. Example, I, we, you, it, me, they, them, us, he, she. Example, she is very pretty. Second, interrogative pronoun refers to pronouns that introduce a question. Who, what, which, whom, whose. Example, who is at the door. Third, relative pronouns. Relative pronoun denotes or refers to a pronoun that are used to connect sentence. Example, that, which, who. I found a ring that was lost. Fourth point, demonstrative pronoun, it is used to point out something specific within a sentence. This, that, these, those, such. Example, these are my friends. Fifth one, distributive pronoun. Pronoun that point out to a person, place or thing one at a time. Example, each, either, neither. Example, neither of you will go out to play. Sixth, the reflexive pronouns used to show that the subject of the sentence is receiving the action of the verb. Example, himself, herself, itself, myself, yourself, ourself, themselves. Example, she cooked the food herself. Seventh point, intensive emphatic pronoun used only to place emphasis on subject. Example, myself, itself, ourself. Example, yourself must go to police station. She herself cooked the food. Reciprocal pronoun used to refer to a mutual set of people, each other, each others, one another. Example, they love each other a lot. Ninth, possessive pronouns, pronouns that refers or shows ownership. Mine, his, hers, ours, yours, theirs. This book is mine. And the last one, 10th one, indefinite pronoun, which refers to an unspecified person, place, thing or idea. All, anyone, many, someone, some. There are many children in the school. Let us solve the exercise. Question number 1, pick out the pronouns and state its kind. First one, Lena want to do it herself. Now after studying the table you have understand that it is personal pronoun and herself is reflexive pronoun. Second point, nobody said a word all night. Nobody, indefinite pronoun. Third, these are the boys who work very hard. these demonstrative and who relative pronoun. Fourth one, each of these candidates get a prize, each distributive pronoun. Fifth one, we eventually hurt ourselves, we personal, ourself reflexive pronoun. Sixth point, I myself heard them talking, I personal, myself intensive pronoun. Seventh point, here is your project, your personal pronoun. When I saw the baby, she was crying. I, she, personal pronoun. This is the updated map of India. This, demonstrative pronoun. 10th point, Africa, which is the second largest continent, has several deserts. Answer, which relative pronoun. 11th, every book is new until you read it. Every, indefinite pronoun. 12th point, many attended the concert. Answer, many, indefinite pronoun. And the last one, they gave each other Christmas gifts. They, personal, each other, reciprocal pronouns. 10th point, everybody wanted to go home. Everybody, indefinite pronoun. 15th, this dog is mine. This, demonstrative, mine, possessive pronoun. Now let us jump on to question number 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate pronouns. First one, the film is about a spy whose wife betrays him. Second point, we always thank them for a special treat. Third point, each day is a new beginning. Fourth point, biology is a science which studies living organism. Fifth point, who is your coach? Sixth, this is a kingfisher. Those are herons. 7th, this is what your topic means. 8th, she is fascinated by the small trail which winds up the hill. 9th, will you spare some time for me? 10th, I finished it last night. In this manner, we have completed pronouns and its types with some examples. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel Kids Study Fun and Food. Hope you all are liking my videos. Please visit my channel again and again. Thanks for watching.